Hi, here is J&M, and in this video I want to show you 3 new features of Photoshop CC 2018 that really makes me want to use it again for digital painting. The first one is brush groups. Yes, it is possible to organize your many brushes now by adding groups. You open up your brush panel, click on new brush group here, define a name for this, and then you can drag your brushes into this new group. You can also go ahead and rename or delete an existing group and manage your brushes like that. Okay, the next feature Adobe finally added is smoothing for brush strokes, which is a kind of lazy mouse for drawing. Just define a percentage for smoothing, and with this feature you can paint smooth line art like this. You have a couple of smoothing options like the pull string mode, and when you enable it and start to draw, a circle appears and drawing begins when the cursor is at the edge of this circle. And then it really feels like you are pulling a string with your brush. Another option is the stroke catch-up. I will increase the smoothing so that we can see it better. Now when you paint with this smoothing enabled and just hold your brush at the end point, without moving, the stroke catches up to this endpoint. This can be really useful for many situations. Okay, the last option that I want to show is catch up on stroke end. This means you draw, the stroke is finished and the pen no longer touches the tablet, but a kind of spike is added to the stroke, which can look really great for some line art styles. And now last but not least, painting with symmetry axis. I added here a new vertical axis. Accept the transform by clicking the arrow, and now I can paint in with symmetry enabled. You can also add a different kind of symmetry axis, like a diagonal one, and you can rotate, scale or move it, and once you accept it, you are able to paint with symmetry. Extraordinary axes are also possible, such as those curves, which might be useful for some cases. Okay guys, that's the features that I want to point out here for digital painting with Photoshop. I know that applications like Krita or Clip Studio Paint have these features for years, but I still wanted to say thanks for adding these, because I use Photoshop a lot and I've really missed this stuff. So if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified when the next one is online. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I hope you come back soon to J&M.